care of your microfiber towels so they can properly take care of your car. DP Microfiber Cleaner is formulated to thoroughly clean and restore your used microfiber towels. By penetrating deep into the microfibers, Microfiber Cleaner removes dry polish, compound, and wax residue and restores the microfiber's natural cleaning and drying abilities. Containing no fabric softeners or bleach, DP Microfiber Cleaner will not degrade fibers and is safe for the use in HE washing machines. Pour 2 ounces of microfiber cleaner into your washing machine with your load of microfiber towels. Be sure to wash your detailing towels separately from your other articles of clothing to avoid cross-contamination. Tumble dry low. It removes polish, compound, and wax residue from microfiber towels. Contains no fabric softeners or bleach and maintains microfiber's natural look and feel. DP Detailing Products. Exceptional car care products for the professional, enthusiast, and everyday driver.